What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and today I want to talk about the major overhaul that's about to happen on KASPA in about 10 days time. So on April 15th, the testnet and kind of the mainnet at the same time is going to be moving over to Rust. So what's going on here is currently KASPA is a very fast blockchain with 1 second block times. Current block reward on KASPA is 246.94. Now that's actually going to turn from 1 second block times to 32 blocks per second. I know you're like, whoa, wait a minute, we're going from 1 second block times to 32 blocks per second? That's insane. Yes, it really is. Now, a huge question on everybody's mind, what does this mean for mining rewards? Are we going to see absolutely crazy amounts, like 32 times the profits per second now? No, here's what's happening to the actual block reward. So we're still going to have the same emission schedule that's happening right now. 246.94 KASPA will still happen every 1 second, but it's going to be split by 32, which means each block reward at this point will become 7.71, making up 32 blocks per second, the same exact KASPA emission. It's just that 32 blocks can be found per second at this point. So there's nothing going on with changing the profitability or anything like that, but this does open up the door for more potential home node solo miners and so on, because the blocks are going to be happening so darn fast. More people are going to have a chance to actually hit blocks. So we may see more solo miners coming out here. Obviously we got other miners, big farms, so on, staying on pools regardless, but this does open an opportunity to hit more blocks for you solo miners out there. And then as for the full 10-second confirmation, it's still going to be around the same time to get those confirmations, but it is going to speed up a little bit. I don't know the time frame on that totally, but it's going to get faster. So initially, the testnet is going to open up first. This isn't going to be an initial drop to 32 blocks per second right on April 15th on mainnet. It's going to open with a testnet, and depending how the testing and everything does work out, it will slowly get implemented on the mainnet. Now, I don't know the numbers and how they're going to actually do it, but just for a quick example, we're going to go from 1 second block times to 30 seconds, which means, 2 blocks per minute split in half, and then maybe to 4, and then maybe to 6. It could start off at 10 and then go to 20 and then hit 30, then 32. It's going to be different, but it's going to be a gradual increase in the mainnet depending how those test results do happen on the testnet, but it's going to be happening April 15th. All right, so on KASPA Discord, there were some things I was supposed to point out, and this is viable to keeping your KASPA safe. So look at here. Also mentioned that there are some fake web wallet links around. Tell people to be careful. Definitely, I was not even aware that this was happening. When we Google KASPA web wallet, there are sponsored ad links impersonating the web wallet. So what's going on here? I have mentioned this on previous live streams about Google ads and so on. So when you research something, go into Google, search it. Sometimes you notice some things are sponsored and ads here. So it seems like hackers and frauds are actually implementing promo ads and sponsoring it through Google. So they show up top here, you get sponsored this, sponsored that, whatever you're looking for. It's getting to the point where the safest thing to do is never click on the very first thing you see pop up. Well, unless it's one of my videos, then it's probably okay. I'm just kidding, guys. But seriously, never click on the very first thing that's promoted or anything on here. Always scroll down to the second or third and verify that it's the actual address and you know which address it is and everything that's coming on, and then get your other links from there. Because on the promotion one, people just come in here and say, oh, look, KASPA wallet, click on it, not check the link where it's actually going. There might be one letter wrong or something spelled a little bit backwards. It could be anything, but it's taking you to a scam site to fish for your seed phrase or who knows what's going on there, but it's hacking people's accounts. So just be safe and do not click the first link that pops up and make sure it's there. So I did a search here. I don't see anything promoted on Brave here. I also tried whatever this one is, the Microsoft one. I can't remember what it's called because I never use it. Shows how much I care about Microsoft. Regardless, same thing. I don't see anything promoted, but always go through and make sure you're hitting legit links. Don't just click on stuff if it looks correctly. You might miss something. So seeing as we're on the topic of wallets, it also looks like Zelcore recently, with their latest update, added the ability to store your KASPA coins. So if you are a Zelcore user, here's another option to actually store your KASPA. And I'm going to show you how to set it up right quick. As you can see right now, I'm in privacy mode so that you guys can't see the millions of dollars worth of coins that I don't actually have. So anyway, let's just go into here. I'm going to click on mining. I'm already on it, but click wherever you want it. I'm putting it in the mining part of the wallet. Hit add asset. Simply come down to here and then type in KASPA. KAS works just fine. Click on it, all done, close it out. Now you're gonna need to show your zero sum coins because we don't have any KASPA there. Simply click on it at this point, go down to receive, and this is your receiving address. So I'll put this down in the description. You guys can send me all your KASPA coins and I'll be happy. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna have this down there. There's not going to be any donation address for KASPA, nothing there right now. But this is the address you would copy. You'd mine to it. If you want to pull out of maybe the web wallet or any other wallet, simply send it to this address and you will store your coins on KASPA. Personally, myself, I feel it's the best just to hold on to your coins, run your own nodes, do it the most decentralized way possible. But that's just me. If you guys, a lot of people love Zelcore, so there is another option to store your KASPA coins. All right, guys, so as you can see, the past 3 months, KASPA has been seeing some solid, steady growth and has been mooning. So not financial advice, but you might want to get a bag by the next bull run. Could we see over $1? At least. Anyway, guys, thank you for checking out this video. KASPA on Rust is coming April 15th. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.